We would start our budget process late September, early October for a submission to the board by the end of December. So it's at 3 months, 4 months. And now with Limelight, we're able to do it in less than a month. Talking to the Limelight team, your customer service is stellar. And honestly, to be quite honest, the cost of your product as well. The integration was seamless. The support was stellar. And the usability of your product is so much like Excel. And I think so many people are used to using that, except that now you get the integrity of the data and you get the real life right away reporting, which I think is great. I use Limelight a lot to reference information for my internal customers that are looking for information. Like, what do we budget for the R&D department for XYZ? It's very easy to pull up into Limelight and provide reports to them.